Such an amazing performance from Mr. Derek's Blue. So, kapilan akong nakadungugan niya, pero it seems like murag first time nagihapon ma-impress magigihapon ko. Praise the Lord for that. Now, I want to ask you, pila pa may edad ni mo since nagsugod ka? Kung murag maayo may kikag dynamics, good. So, pila may edad ni mo nagsugod ug tuon ani?
Well, nag-start ko ani since 9 years old. Nag-learn ako saxophone.
9 years old. So, murag kita ani, Dar. Murag taas-taas patag sa kaunon ani, murag di na kita kasaka ani. But anyway, unsa may the primary role or part or unsa may mahimo sa usa ka instrumentalist sa ministry?
Well, if I can touch even just one lives of a listener, it will be a big role as a musician to touch their lives if they can see Jesus the way I play. That's it.
Amen. Praise the Lord for that. Now mga kaigsuunan, si Derek's Blue unya, makita nato sa Cagayan de Oro Central Church. So kung gusto pa mo maminaw more sa iyang music, later on, unya na siya. Unsay oras? It's 3 p.m. Okay, mga alas 3. So ato na siyang madunggan sa iyahang mga music unya sa Central Church. Now before anything else, ato sang dunggo ng imong mga greetings.
I-greet lang ako ang tanan nga naminaw. Happy Sabbath, good morning sa Blackquit family, Villamor family, Hersaba family. Happy Sabbath sa inyong tanan.
Murag gi-appeal lagi tong murag kailagi ko ng Hersaba family ba. Gi-appeal gid din taon niya. Very special good. Okay, anyway mga kaigsunan, bisag kita tanan dili parihan niya nga kabalupod mo sax. However, our body is also a very important part also. And no, we have our body is a temple of God. So mga kaigsunan, niaging December, daghan kay tagipangkaon. So, isa ko ana nga nag-left and right, mga kasal siguro nato, kasal, reunion, o guban pa nga, nagkalain-lain lang ang mga pagkaon. But how to lose weight, very important kaayo na because to be healthy. Ato nang paminawon si Ms. Leila para sa iyahang health bits.
Maayong buntag mga kapaglaom, welcome to Health Beats. Are you conscious of your body weight? And you keep asking yourself why I am not losing weight? An excess of 3,500 kilocalories will result in a pound of fat. If you take in 500 kilocalories less per day in a week, you will have a deficit of 3,000 kilocalories. A deficit of 3,000 kilocalories will help you lose 1 pound. Here are practical ways to lose weight. Eat only at meal times, 3 times a day, no snacks. Regular exercise 4 to 6 times a week, 30 to 45 minutes. Eat high-fiber diet, low-fat, high-complex carbohydrates. Eat a good king-size breakfast and a very light evening meal. Eat only at the table and not in front of the TV. Drink at least 8 glasses of water between meals. Steam instead of frying. Learn to read labels. Don't leave cookies or snack foods around. Make a food record on what you eat. Learn to cope with stress. Depression may cause overeating. Good food habits means willing to eat foods we know will build health. Poor food habits means eat only what we like. This is Miss Laila reminding you, eat for strength and not for drunkenness. Be healthy, it's a wise choice.